Alright, you all, I am going to do something to these locks. Because I'm a little rough around the edges, literally. So, start off with some water. And I'm only concentrating on my roots. Because you see, I got a little bit of texture. I want to keep some of that texture in my hair. And this water is mixed with lemongrass essential oil, which smells really good. So if you want to refresh in your locks, make sure that you add some scented oils to your hair. Give it a nice smell. It smells like lemon drops. Like, it smells so good. And when you buy essential oils, make sure you get the ones that say like therapeutic grade or pure essential oils. Like, you don't want to get like fragrance oils, because that's not real. It doesn't come from the actual plant. It's manufactured. So, got some water on there. You don't want it to be like drenched, but you want to have some type of moisture to get the hair moving, because as you can see before, it was stiff. So this loosens up your hair. And when you're styling your hair, you want to put some type of water on it anyways. That way you have less breakage. Okay. So I could just say it is what it is and leave it like this and be done. But I want to pull it up a little bit. Before doing so, I'm going to just use some coconut oil. Trader Joe's has it at a good price, as well as Aldi. But I keep mine just in a container because I use my coconut oil in food. So I don't want to dip in it and put it in my hair and then go in and go use it for food. So I put it in a separate container for my hair. So I'm just putting that through on the root of my hair and massaging it through to the scalp. Okay, coffee break. Okay, so I would say brush your hair, but my husband did not let me use his brush, and I do not have my own brush. So yeah, I put him out there. He being stingy. But I'm just gonna use a comb to attempt to get my edges together, and I'm just like going at it at the edge and just kind of pulling out just to try to smooth it down. I got this scarf, which is pretty big. We're gonna make it work though. So this is the scarf, pretty long rectangle scarf. I'm gonna fold it lengthwise. That's how big it is lengthwise, and then fold it again lengthwise. All right. So I'll take the part that is folded like that. You see, you got the part where it's like open. You got the part where it's closed. I'm going to use the part where it's closed on my hairline, but I'm going to do it from the back. So, and I'm going to, like I said, use that part that's closed and put that on my hairline, tucking it over my ear and bringing it forward. So when I'm using the scarf, I'm like scraping. So I think I'm going to just do a big knot in the front. So I'm pulling it back like that. That way I can smooth down the front of my hair. Pulling it back like that. Some Poetic Justice vibes. So let's see how we want to do this. How we can play around with this at the front. I can twist it and twist it and do like a knot at the front. Y'all want to draw that? Like a big knot. Let's see. I'm twirling it around and just tucking it in. And tuck it in, and I got a big knot like right on the front of my head. Like that. And keeping the rest of it down. I mean, I guess I could rock that. And just have my hair around it. And keep the texture out. That's not bad. Oh, God. Alright, so I think I am going to pull my hair up some. Maybe I'm going to adjust this. So I like the way that looked. But let's cock it to the side. So turn it to the side a bit. And twirl it again. You know what? Leave this where it's at for now. And I want to put my hair in a ponytail. Now, I don't have a ponytail holder, y'all. So what I'm going to do is come from the front. Grab 2 locks on either side. If you watch my videos, you know about this technique. Beauty of locks is that your hair does everything for you. So that's there. It brings new meaning to you or everything that you need. You know what I'm saying? Like those affirmations. I'm everything that I ever need in my life. Okay, so bring it around. And instead of, usually I tie it to the side so I can have a side ponytail. I'm going to tie it right in the middle. Like such. And bring it forward. And I'm going to tie it again. Now, be a little leery of this if you have thinner ends to your hair, because this could weaken the ends of your hair. So I got it up. And maybe I could use this to go around my ponytail. So let's see. Pull this around the ponytail. And tuck it underneath the headband part. Okay. Twirl it again. Twirl, twirl, twirl. And pull it around. Do I want it to go that way or this way? Let's see. I can kind of like do something like that. To have it to the side like that. Yeah, we could do that. Okay, so twirl it and bring it around, and tuck it underneath the headband part. This part, I tucked it underneath this part. And kind of, there we go. So that's the way to style your hair. You all don't be afraid if you feel like, oh, my hair is not long enough and all that. Just try it, because just the technique of just kind of putting a scarf on and moving it around, you might see what fits and what works for your hair length, and it won't have to look exactly like this, but it'll still fit your hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, even if your hair is shorter, don't let your hair length limit you. Just enjoy each stage of your locks and just do what you can. All right, so I want to do a little bit more. I want my hair to be kind of up, more put together. So that's what we're gonna do. Just some ponytail holders. Just 2. We think we need 3. We're gonna do 2. And separate it on either side. And put my hair in a ponytail. On the ends. Now, if you want to protect your ends even more, like I said, you have kind of sensitive ends, you want to prevent breakage or promote health, as I should say. Talk about what you want, not what you do not want. All right. You can put water on the ends of your hair. Make it a little less susceptible to damage. So I got these 2 ponytails. Don't worry, my husband's with my daughter. Okay, baby is good. I'm gonna take these 2 ends, and now if you were using a ponytail holder, I would say take them and tuck them into your ponytail holder, but we used our hair, so can't really tuck it in there, but Then I'm gonna bring it around and you know what? I'm just gonna take from this part and combine it with this part. And kind of let the cards fall as they may. So let's pull some hair out. Yeah, like so. And bring it over that. And then on the other end, tuck this behind it. Tuck it underneath, yeah, and tuck it into the ponytail. Do that look crazy, y'all? Let me know. It look good from the front now. Yep, it look okay from the front. I'll take it. Let me see. Let me get a feel for it. Like, cause when I do videos, like I'm just like doing videos and like talking, and so I don't have to worry about the way the back of my hair looks. But I think that should be okay. It's a messy bun, you know. So I'm just taking hair from here and tucking it underneath. And then also tucking it and then putting it into the ponytail holder. Like putting it under the ponytail holder, but from this side. So that's a messy bun, which I love me some buns, y'all. That's that. So you all do not let not having ponytail holders or anything like that stop you from doing the style. Do not let, you know, your edges not being, you know, laid stop you from doing something. And also don't let, like I said, do not let your length limit you, okay, whether it's long or shorter. So that is this look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember, in all that you do, stay forever true. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And also go to my second channel, You're a Fav Nurse B, because I am your favorite nurse. Basically, it's just about how I went from CNA to a nurse and just all the craziness in between that. And I just give you all tips and tricks and ask how to get into nursing school, all that good stuff. Also, follow me on Instagram under stayforevertrue #1. All right, y'all. Peace.